Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum. Welcome again to the Beauty Blaster. So this video is about bouncy haircut hairstyle ideas. First of all, subscribe my channel for latest ideas about hairstyles and do share with your friends and family and give us your feedback. So this channel where I share tips and tricks on how to style your hairs. In this video I am going to show you how to achieve the bouncy haircut, which is a trendy and versatile haircut that suits all ages and face shapes. The bouncy hairstyle is a short hairstyle that has big waves through the ends, giving it a lot of movement and volume. It's inspired by old Hollywood glamour and icons like Marilyn Monroe and Grace Kelly. It's also very easy to style and maintain as you only need a few products and tools. So viewers, to get the bouncy haircut, you will need a pair of scissors or a razor, a round brush, a blow dryer, a curly iron or a hot roller, a volumizing mousse or spray, a heat protectant, a hairspray. The first step is to cut your hair into a layer shape that suits your face. You can do this yourself or go to a salon. The ideal length for the bouncy bob is around the chin and slightly longer. You can also add some layers and angles to create more texture and dimensions. The second step is to blow dry to your hair with a round brush, lifting the roots and smoothing the ends. This will create some volume and bouncy in your hair. You can also use a volumizing mousse or spray before blow drying for extra lift. The final step is to set your curls with a hairspray and shake them out with your fingers. This will give your hair more body and movement. You can also use your fingers to adjust the curl and create the shape you want. So viewers, thank you for watching the Beauty Blaster. Hope you understand.